Little taste of LA before the video starts. I hope you enjoy it. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to do another dahlia flower, but I'm trying to do this, I'm doing this with a little twist to it. So I don't even know if you can call this a dahlia flower, but I'm gonna try something with with this 4-chamber cup here, and I got this cup from Mixed Media Girl a while back, and I've used it a few times. But I'm just wondering if I can just layer some. Well, I'm not gonna really layer the colors in here. I'm gonna actually just put my 4 colors that I'm gonna use. And then I'm going to straight pour it onto my canvas here, onto some 24 karat gold, and just see what happens. And I'm going to use my skewer to pull it out and see what happens. I'm very curious to see what's going to happen. So put some white in here. And I'm not going to fill it all the way up. I think halfway is more than enough. And then I'm going to use my my Dioxazine purple. And I'm going to add in my antique gold. And I have my Amsterdam Oxide black. And the last one. Okay, so let's see where this takes us. It'll be an interesting experiment no matter where we go. And it'll be fun. It'll be something new for today. Just wanted to stop that there because I don't want to overdo this a little too much. And I think I'll give it one torch, and then I am going to I'm going to use my skewer. That is beautiful. I love the way it came out. Very different. It inspired me today. I just love, I love the colors. I love how it's, yeah, just amazing. There's just like a million things you can do when you're pouring. It doesn't have to be one way. It doesn't have to follow suit of anyone else. You can just do what you want and make it your own. You don't have to follow the leader. That's what makes it fun. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, and I'm signing off today. Feeling quite happy in my latest pour. I hope you like it too. Let's give it a little torch here, and I will bring you in for a close-up. Have a great day, everyone. Please give me a thumbs up. Pass me on to your friends if you like what you saw here today. I do a pour a day. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye now. Extra fun.